So here's how you can search emails on the iPad. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, it heavily depends on which mail client you're using. It's likely that you're using the mail from Apple, which is this blue icon with an envelope on it, but you can get inside. And in order to perform the search, what you have to do is just to click on this little magnifying glass icon in at the top right. You click on it and you're going to type in a keyword, right? It's going to start to filter it. So perhaps it's going to ask you if you want to search through the current mailbox which you had open or all of the mailboxes, right? It just means that you might be signed in with more emails into this app. So, it asks you which email address you want to search through basically. And also if you start typing something in, it asks you if you want to filter it by the subject containing that letter or word, or if the attachment is supposed to contain that word, if it's supposed to be part of the message, or if the sender's name matches your description there. So it kind of gives you more filtering options, depends on how exactly you want to search for your emails. That is all, as I said, using the Apple's mail client. But as you know, or as you can tell, I also have the Gmail from Google, or there are so many other mail apps which you can be using on your device, right? So in that case, you will need to use the UI of that app, but most likely it's just very similar inside of the Gmail. I can also just click on the search and at the top like this, and it's going to let me search through my mails the exact same way. The same kind of filters are going to be in place. So that's basically it. It's not that difficult at all. So let me know what you think below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the upcoming tutorials and videos similar to this one. And I'll see you later. So thanks a lot and I'll talk to you soon.